Good morning! It's Thursday, March 26th. Today in math, you'll work in your packet on page 9. Once again, we'll be working with finding angles within shapes. So our example shape here is a triangle with 3 sides, 3 vertices. So I look at each vertice and I look at the angle that the 2 sides make for each vertice. This is a right angle. A right angle is a square angle, could fit a square in the corner, and we now know that that measures 90 degrees. So this shape has one right angle. Now when I look at the other vertices, one here, and I look at these 2 sides and think, what kind of angle does that make? That's an acute angle. Over here, that's another acute angle. So I record 2 acute angles, 0 obtuse angles, and 1 right angle. All right, then you're going to work in your packet on page 16. And page 16 are area and perimeter problems. Let's remember finding area and perimeter of a rectangle. So we have a length and a width and an area. Length times width is the formula for area. Length plus width is the formula for perimeter. Pay attention for what the question is asking you to do. Each question is a little bit different. It may be a question where there's a missing side length. It may be a question asking about area. It may be a question asking about perimeter. So read the questions carefully. Your enrichment is a page on ordering fractions from smallest to largest. Remember, you can go on to ConnectEd and get fraction circle pieces and number lines to work with. And I want to give some Freckle shout-outs today. I've been looking at how you're doing, and there are a lot of people doing a great job on Freckle. In fact, I'd like to share with you that so far for this week, getting the most correct questions is Vanya. The most time practicing, Samantha. Highest accuracy, Dina Kara. Congratulations. In addition, there are a lot of people who are doing a great job, and on the program to get a great job, it's looking at the number of questions you're doing and how well you're doing with them. So, great progress for Dina Kara, Mackenzie, Maximus, Charlie, Luke N, Amisha, Alejandro, Olivia, Dion, Samira, Gautam, Vivan, Grayson, Avril, Benjamin, Wes, Rina, Marco, Sarah. Awesome. I am so proud of everyone for working so hard. So we have something fun for you to do today. We have a Flipgrid, and the Flipgrid is about something you are feeling grateful or thankful for today. So you'll be logging on to Flipgrid, and you can see your teachers, what we're thankful for, and you can record for us what you're thankful or feeling grateful for today. In science, you have a link to a video on inertia, and that is your work for today, Thursday, March 26th. And bring Rue up to say thank you for working so hard and doing such a good job, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.